Hello friends, welcome to my kitchen and channel. To you today, loved by adults and little ones, I have a banana pancake recipe. Our materials: 1 banana, 1 egg, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 glass of milk, 1 glass of flour, half a pack of baking powder, 1 pack of vanilla. I crush my banana with the help of a fork. I'm breaking my egg. I also add sugar. Confused with fork. Adding my milk. I also add my vanilla. I confuse. Then I will add the flour and baking powder. The dough of my banana pancake will be ready. I opened my stove moderately. I'm cooking my pancakes in a heated frying pan. This way I turn it when I've eyes on it. My banana pancakes are ready. Take it easy to friends who will try and do it. See you in the new recipes. Goodbye.